Furry snowballs, right, Witten? How many you gonna get?
Come on, young man. Line it up, fire away.
Oh, good shot. She's spinning the balls. Yeah. Hands and knees. Hands and knees. Flat hands. Make sure you get some flat hands, just like the settings do, flat hands. How many can you get? 2. Oh, you do more too. Come on.
Shooters here. You ready for this? Sure.
Well, good morning. Another day at Kamp Dels. What is this, day 2, second day, third day? I don't know. But we got some stuff planned today. We're going to listen to the announcements here this morning. They have this silver bullet comes on and tells us what the day's events are. So we'll have a little breakfast, and then I think we have they have this deal called Minute to Win It. And sometimes there's 1 a day, sometimes there's 2. I think there's maybe 2 today at different times at different locations around the campground. So we'll do a couple of those and have a good time. Stick with us. Thanks for watching. It's going to be a great day. It's the announcements this morning.
Good job.
Cold brew coffee right now. Fresh donuts.
You got it. Right? Or did you already use one of these as a wild?
I didn't. I just used this one as a wild.
Oh, well, you can't use 2 as a wild.
So every day they have announcements like that and tell us what's going on every day, which is kind of cool. And the Minute to Win It and different things to do around the campground. So I don't know if you can pick that up on the speaker, but that's always pretty cool. So we know what's going on every day. So we're doing the Minute to Win It today with a hockey stick and some snowballs or something. Furry snowballs, right, Witten? How many you gonna get?
I don't know.
15, 16 is the record? Is that the new record, 16?
I'm gonna get
17? Okay, let's do it.
We don't want any accidents. Are you ready? Go!
Ooh, that's good. 1, Preston. You got 1 already. Get another one.
Blow in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, get another one. Ooh, good shot.
Upper right corner. What a shot.
Ooh, you're going to break the... Keep going, Preston. You'll break the record.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds to go. 20 seconds. First shot. First shot. Here we go. You got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Hurry up. Get another one.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Hit it. Go. Oh, good job, buddy.
Okay, we're ready for it.
How many are you going to get, Witten? 20? Okay, put one down there.
Ready, set, go.
Oh.
Come on, put them in. 6, 5, 4.
Oh, that was close.
There it is. He's on the board. And another one. Yes.
Oh, there's one. Good job. 3 in a row, Witten.
20 seconds to go. 3 in a row. Come on, young man. Line it up. Fire away.
Oh, good shot. Get another one.
10 seconds.
Oh, you're on a roll, Witten. Keep going. Oh, there's one.
5, 4,
Get another one.
2, 1.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Are you ready, sir? I'm ready. Ready, go.
Nice. Oh, this guy's on it.
Just one at a time.
Yeah, no cheating.
Oh, I can't hold more than one? Okay.
You should join it.
There you go.
Oh, he keeps getting them nonstop.
I got
this.
Hey, wait.
30 seconds. Come on, 20 seconds. That was it. Get up in the mess. 10 seconds. Come on. Get in there. 5, 8,
You do you.
3, 2, 1. Puts it at the buzzer.
How many can you get?
2.
Oh, you can do more than 2. Come on.
Shooters here. All right, you ready for this? Sure, she said, sure.
Don't blow it now.
Okay, don't blow it. The pressure's on. Ready? All right. Ready, go.
She's already trying to cheat.
Look at that right away. She's on 120 pace right now. Oh, goodness. That's how you do it.
Oh, there's another one.
30 seconds to go.
15!
Oh.
16! 17!
Brendan's got 17. Where are we going, boys? Where are we going? Oh, that's the driving range, right? So we're going in the arcade. Going in the arcade. Preston's gonna do some bowling. Let's see it. Mini bowling. Where's the ball? I don't think it is. Where's the balls at? Gotta crawl in there and get the extra ball. I'll watch out for the bowling police. Hands and knees. Hands and knees. Flat hands. Make sure you get some flat hands. It's like the petting zoo, flat hands. It's in the middle. Keep looking. Oh yeah, now we're getting it. It's things we gotta do to get a bowling ball. Probably first time ever. Mama's been in the backside of the bowling alley lane. Oh, she's got 2 balls. Blue and a pink. Kamp Dels, mini bowling. Do what it takes to get some balls. Oh. Okay, ready? Get a strike. Mini bowling with the mini balls. Oh, good job. And the pins have like these wires on them that pull them up, see? Yeah. Put this in our barn. Okay, can you get the rest? Get them, knock them down. Yep. Oh, I think you got it. You did. You got a spare. Good job, buddy. Kamp Dels guys came in and we told them that lane 1 wasn't working, and they just gave us extra credits now. So that's super nice. That's one thing about Kamp Dels here is that the staff is so polite and courteous, and they'll do anything for you. You have any kind of need or want or issue, it's just fixed no matter what. It's a lot harder with mini balls, let me tell you. Can she pick up the spare? Can you pick up the spare? That's what we need to know. You look bewildered. No-go. Okay, Witten's jumped in now. Show us your stuff, Witten. Can you get a strike? Let's see. Roll it. Roll it. No. You can pick up the spare. Can you pick up the spare? Roll it easy. Right down the FM. Okay. Granny ball. Do granny. Ooh, not bad. It's my turn. Reality bowling. Okay. Got my feet right. Yep. Ooh, that's going to be a tough one to break up. Okay, I'm going to go with a psychedelic ball. Didn't have my feet right. Now they're right. Ready? Oh, one left. Well, that's all she wrote. So, player 3, which is me. Witten, Mama 69, Dad 79, Camping with Corey. Bowling extravaganza. Thanks for watching. Witten, what are we doing?
Playing bingo.
Bingo night at Kamp Dels.
Yep.
Yeah, Camping with Corey.
Yep.
Yeah. Preston, what are we doing?
Playing bingo.
Okay.
And after that, we'll probably go golf.
Hey, did you get a bingo card for Rella?
No.
No, she can't play?
No.
Why not? What? She's sleeping?
Too little.
All right. Well, stay tuned. We're going to do some bingo. So we're waiting for bingo to start. It's bingo night. Trying to win a free ice cream cone.
Tuesday night bingo with Julie. I love the crowd. Thank you for coming out. Let's get started. Game 1. How about regular bingo?
She's spinning the balls. Yeah.
What do you get if you win? I have slushies, ice cream, some mini golf, and arcade tokens and cards.
Yeah.
Come get that.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
We get blushing.
Are we ready?
Ready.
G.
Ready.
47.
Oh, I got one of those.
G. 47.
Yeah, G47. I got it.
G. 59.
Oh, that's so wrong.
G. 59.
We got her.
66.
We got that.
Oh.
66.
66.
Oh.
Oh.
71.
71.
I-19. You have to yell bingo.
36.
Yeah, Witten? Yeah?
68.
Witten, are you thinking I-19? Think I-19, 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 I-19. Say it over and over.
I. 26.
Oh, we know that guy. It's the flower guy. Yep, John the flower guy.
Square in any corner. That should be easy for the kids. Square in any corner. G. 57.
Got nothing. Skunked. Skunko.
I. 29. I. 29.
We just need one more. Oh, 64. It's a winner.
B. 7. E. 7.
Oh, 64.
O. 75.
64.
O.
Yeah,
75.
yeah, 64, 64, 64.
O. 61. O. 61. 64.
Bingo. You take it up.
64.
Bingo. Take it up there, Witten. Raise your hand up. Bingo.
I heard a bingo. He's going to the arcade. Continue on.
Preston, he's going to the arcade. Good job, Witten. That's pretty cool. Got an arcade game for a bingo. Yeah, yeah. How much is on there? What's it say on the front? Let me see.
36.
Oh yeah. So 36 credits. Yeah. To play at the arcade. Guess we're going back to the arcade, huh?
To play bowling and go. Right.
Yeah. Let's do it. Well, we bingoed out. Witten was the big bingo winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Witten with a arcade card at bingo, yeah? Yeah. And then we got these. So it is a environmental friendly, so it's green. Campfire color, but this says toss into the fire, lasts up to 30 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. Once we get this fire going, because I lost my flame. So yeah. Goodbye. We're leaving. We don't know who that is, but. Thanks for watching, and hope you had a fun time watching the video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Duck dance.
Yeah, you do the duck dance.
Like the that's a chicken dance. Do you know that one?
Yeah,
Yeah, me too.
this is a duck dance.
But it doesn't have that music?
No.
Why?